Alright, part 2, 2005 60 F350. Take loose this line that goes to the bottom of the power steering pump. Hopefully solve this whining and brakes locking up on me issue. Got a couple things out of the way. Master cylinder hanging down, brackets off. Pull this out. So looking at this line, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like the Teflon is like swollen up and closing this whole line off almost. Very, very little. Here's what the new line looks like. It's wide open. It's got the same little heat shrink going down, and once eventually get this routed up underneath to the power steering pump, and hopefully that should fix our issues. So this thing would, under power, you'd get power on it, and then it would pretty much hydro lock this, allow the rod to push out, and then lock the brake pedals, lock all the brakes. And so I don't know if anybody else has ran into this. I couldn't find anything else on the internet, but yeah, this guy being melted in here and plugged up the line on us. So hopefully this helps everybody. This has been a big process for me with power steering pump, new booster, new master cylinder, and I've changed a couple of master cylinders. I'd suddenly just lose brake pressure also, so I don't know if that was, I think that was still a master cylinder problem, but this is definitely a problem. So all right, part 2. See you guys.